Hi guys, Terry here. It's a blustery, rainy day in Columbus, Ohio. And in continuing my series with the A to Z Craftroom organization, I wanted to talk today about fabric. So if you can see under my bed, I have some boxes. And these are under the bed storage boxes. Let me pull one out and show it to you. So I do quilting along with my scrapbooking and card making. And if you collect fabric like you do scrapbook paper, you can end up with a lot of it. I got these bags because they fit under the bed. My bed didn't have a lot of clearance. It was only about 4 inches. So these bags work well. I have 4 of them, and I kind of have them by color. So this one has greens and blues and purples in it. And I mainly have fat quarters, which are, if you're a quilt maker, a lot of times you'll get a pattern and it'll say how many fat quarters you need. So fat quarters are the size of a quarter a yard of fabric, only half of it. So fabric is normally 40 some inches wide. So this will be anywhere from 20 to 22 inches wide, and then 18 inches across. So fabric, I used to have the fabric stored in those little shoe boxes, clear shoebox totes, and had them on closet shelves. Because just like paper, you don't want the fabric to fade, so it is good to keep it covered up. I think just like paper and other things that we struggle with our scrapbooking supplies, fabric is another one that you know, either you have scraps left over or you have quilt fabric for future quilts. Like here's one that I got for something that I want to make for a winter one. So it was a kit, and it came with these gorgeous, gorgeous fabrics. So it's here for me when I start getting back into quilting. So I guess my tips for fabric would be find a place that's out of the sunlight. Find a place that's easy to get to. I like the plastic cover on this because I can pull it out and see what I have. I like that it's not getting it dusty. But I mean, it's hard to get in and out from under the bed. It's a little bit heavy, so it's not ideal. It's working for now. But yeah, if you've got some shelving that's out of the sunlight, that would be good. You can keep the fabric in totes. I do like those clear plastic shoe boxes, but that's kind of my idea for fabric. Again, the same principles that I would say with scrapbooking paper. You know, we find the, matter of fact, I just bought a couple bundles. Where do I have those? Yeah, here's the bundles that I just bought at Joann's. I thought that teal was so pretty. So just like paper, we get enamored with the fabric. But I would say don't get it till you're ready to make something with it. You know, do as I say, not as I do. I will say the fabric came in handy when we were making masks this year. I had every color of the rainbow. But I'll have links on my website to these containers and also those clear shoebox containers. And then if you have any questions, put them in the comment. Otherwise, I will talk to you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.